The Consumer Electronics Show is underway in Las Vegas. The Consumer Technology Association says they expect a big uptick in smart devices this year. That includes tools to control everything in your home, all from your smartphone.
Delano explains what else is new this year and how it could make your daily life a little easier.
Thanks, Ken and Christine. Tech and gadget lovers, this is your week. The Consumer Electronics Show is getting set to kick off in Las Vegas. Karen Kafa joins us ahead of the show's official opening with a sneak preview of what to expect. Karen?
John, I really am giving you a sneak preview because the floor won't officially open up until Tuesday. And as you can see around me, some of these booths aren't even ready to go yet. But over the last 24 hours or so, as vendors have come into town, we've been getting a sense of what some of the big trends and hot gadgets are going to be. A lot of talk about 5G this year. Now, this is something we were talking about last year, but this year, that high-speed connectivity is becoming a little bit more of a reality. You've got AT&T rolling it out in about a dozen cities. Verizon and AT&T expected to roll out 5G smartphones in the coming year. So certainly something that anyone who manufactures a device that depends on that connectivity is really looking toward. Also, the low latency, the speed at which devices are able to talk to one another, that's going to be a main factor for manufacturers as they progress, particularly in the area of those self-driving cars. Another thing to watch this time around is how much gadgetry there is to make your life just a little bit healthier and perhaps a little more fit. One of the things I'm talking about is something as simple as these glasses. If you are a runner or an avid athlete, these glasses from Aftershocks actually use a kind of bone conduction technology. Instead of putting an earbud in your ear, it goes behind your ear and uses its bone conduction technology. And so the runner or athlete has a little bit more situational awareness around them. Another thing to watch for, the big battle between Google and Amazon when it comes to the virtual assistants. Google made a big splash here at the show last year. They are back again. They're trying to get in versus Amazon's Alexa, but a lot of the work may not necessarily be done out in the open. A lot of it is going to be behind the scenes as they go between these hardware and gadget makers and make sure that it is their virtual assistant that is integrated with these many products being shown on the floor. John?
Well, you know, Karen, Pittsburgh has really become a center for self-driving autonomous vehicles. So let me ask you, is there anything going on at the show that really highlights some of these new technologies?
You know, the thing to watch, John, is just how much of a car show CES has become, maybe even overstepping Detroit in some ways. Where automakers come, we've seen BMW, Ford, Toyota, all of them with their latest, greatest technology. And it's not so much about the autonomous vehicles. We saw a lot of that last year, certainly getting consumers a little bit more familiar with that with some of the partnerships, Toyota and Pizza Hut, Domino's and Ford, of integrating these into people's lives, but taking the next steps with that. But also the technology that's going to make your driving safer right now. Things like collision avoidance, the things in the cars that we're driving every day that are going to make the drivers a little bit safer. So certainly a good deal of the technology of the future and also things that are practical today. And John, before we go, I do want to show you a new friend I have made in the early hours of the show. This is Wubo. He's a robot aimed at children. There are a lot of kinder, gentler robots at this year's CES. He is one of them. He talks to you. You can set a reminder to brush your teeth if you're a little guy. You can have questions answered. So a lot of fun technology, a lot of practical technology from cars, everything else that really defines this show here on the Strip, John.
Hey, Karen, thank you so much. I can see another holiday gift in the future coming up. Ken and Christine, back to you.